Boots on the ground, the key to exploration success. Hi, George Sanders, President, Goldcliff Resource Corporation. We are presenting this video to accompany our news release this morning, where we disclose and discuss the commencement of 2025 fieldwork at two of Goldcliff's assets. We will begin our 2025 activities at the Panorama Ridge Gold Project. Our purpose there is twofold. Firstly, we will be collecting representative drill core samples and additional fresh rock samples for preliminary initial metallurgical testing of non-cyanide gold recovery technology. The second purpose of the visit is to follow up some very strong gold values, gold float mineralization encountered in 2022 assessment work activity at Panorama Ridge. From 2003 to 2008, our focus at Panorama Ridge, all of our trenching, all of our drilling was near surface, bulk tonnage style, lower grade gold mineralization. Now, in spots in that drilling and in some trenches, we did uncover plus 30 gram individual gold samples, and particularly in one trench we uncovered multi-ounce gold mineralization. That mineralization was subsequently identified as directly related to Hedleyite and Joseite, and these two minerals are auriferous bismuth tellurides. They are very, very important in the nickel plate district, where the very high grade stopes and some lenses were mined underground at the historic nickel plate mine. Those very high elevated gold grades were a result of the presence of both Hedleyite and Joseite. All of our previous work at Panorama Ridge was conducted during a sub 1,000 US dollar per ounce gold price. And so today, at Canadian dollar gold prices in excess of $4,500, we think that the mineralization drilled to date, the other targets of yet to be tested bulk tonnage mineralization, and particularly the search for these higher grade lenses of Hedleyite, we think that that is very compelling and a must-do for the company to reevaluate this asset in the light of higher gold prices. Further details are available on the website. You can find, or on the news release. You can find it on the website and on any quotation service. Before we wrap up our work there, we will record a video from Panorama Ridge, which will provide you with a visual of the lay of the land and some of our thoughts, so stay tuned for that. Following that activity at Panorama Ridge, the team will then proceed to the Ainsworth Silver Project and spend a couple of weeks there following up last year's activity on that high-grade silver property in the historic high-grade silver camp of Ainsworth. And as we did last September, we will also record a video for you from there. Additionally, we have some new corporate presentations available on the website. I think they're under the presentation tab, so do check those out. We have a full slide deck on the Ainsworth project, so you'll want to check that out. And we also have a slightly longer deck on the overall corporate presentation, where we outline all 5 of the assets in the Goldcliff portfolio. Additionally, we have prepared a video of that deck so that the shareholder investor can view that deck in the manner that I would use if I were giving a presentation at a conference or in a boardroom full of investors. So, lots going on at Goldcliff, exciting times. Stay tuned.